This is the unboxing of the Pixel 7 Pro. This one is obsidian color. The Pixel 7 Pro does not change everything when you're coming from the Pixel 6 Pro. The Pixel 7 Pro has an improved camera system compared to the 6 Pro. It also has a better battery life and an improved operating system. The obsidian color is a black glossy color with a dark aluminum finish around the camera bezel. The camera area is made out of aluminum now and glass. On the previous version, it was all glass. Going with aluminum is better for durability. You will not break that very easily compared to the Pixel 6 Pro. Inside the box of this Pixel 7 Pro, you do not have a charger brick. You have only a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C, and you have an accessory for USB-C to USB-A. This Pixel 7 Pro is IP68 certified, which means that it can survive dust and water up to 30 minutes for a depth no more than 1.5 meters.